Wah, ternyata ada juga nih barang-barang yang harganya setengah harga pemirsa. Aduh, diskonnya oke banget nih dalam toko ini. Dan di dalam toko ini juga lengkap sekali ya alat-alat untuk olahraga. Nah, karena nih ya di VOA Career Day kali ini kita akan membicarakan berbagai macam karir yang berhubungan dengan health dan wellness dan kesehatan. Nah, kalau misalnya banyak nih dari pemirsa yang hobi olahraga atau memang seorang atlet. Nah, kalau misalnya cedera itu kemana dan perawatannya itu seperti apa? Wah, itu ayo kita harus melihat nih karir sebagai chiropractor dan chiropractor surgeon. Seperti apa sih karirnya? Check it out.
I'm Helmer Velez and I have the best job ever. Come and find out why.
Dokter macam apa yang bisa membantu pasien untuk lari lebih cepat, menyembuhkan alergi, bahkan membantu mereka tidur pulas di malam hari? Ia adalah seorang chiropractor.
What I love most about my job is that I get people better and
Sekitar seabad yang lalu, Helmer Velez tinggal di Bolivia dan bergabung dalam tim semi-pro sepak bola dan kompetisi dansa. Kini ia bangga dengan kemampuan berbahasa Inggrisnya dan hidup di Amerika sebagai seorang chiropractor yang sukses di bagian selatan California.
we're gonna be checking your spine today, okay? Good. I'm gonna have you lay face down, Mike.
Kamu akan membayangkan bunyi jepret, keretak, dan pop di bagian tulang punggung. Tapi kenyataannya ini semua bertujuan untuk keseimbangan sistem syaraf dari kepala sampai ujung
You
kaki.
have headaches for a long time. I can tell, oh, you have a subluxation right here, a misalignment right here. So I find it and I fix it.
Dan kamu pasti tidak pernah terpikir kalau infeksi telinga, asma, atau bahkan sakit perut bisa berhubungan dengan sistem syaraf yang tidak selaras di punggung.
If your spine is not healthy, then your organs, your heart, your intestines, every single organ inside you is not gonna function the way it's supposed to. And then you're gonna get sick.
Sore like in the morning from the way I slept, but so just today.
Just today. I'm checking her spine right here and I can see that she's got a lot of misalignments right here up on the neck, right in this area, and a lot of upper back misalignments too. So let me have you lay face down. That's why we're called holistic doctors, because we treat the whole body, not just the spine. Does it hurt when I'm doing this?
No, not at all. Feels good.
Sebagai seorang dokter medis di Bolivia, Helmer ingin mencegah penyakit, bukan cuma merawatnya. Tapi tanpa sekolah chiropractic di negaranya, ia harus pindah ribuan kilometer jauhnya untuk menggapai karir impiannya di Amerika.
I've come from the second poorest country in the whole continent of America to one of the most expensive cities in the US.
Ia harus bertahan hidup dengan bekerja paruh waktu di 3 tempat, termasuk mengantar pizza.
It was worth every single class that I took, every single hour that I took, because now I get to help other people and I'm living the dream.
Kini, ia juga seorang sukarelawan dari sebuah organisasi yang mengirim chiropractor ke Bolivia. Ini hanyalah salah satu cara ia menyalurkan kesuksesannya di Amerika.
We treat thousands and thousands of people who never have access to healthcare.
Perjalanan Helmer menunjukkan kalau kamu mau mengambil resiko dan kerja keras, karir impian kamu bisa tercapai.
Alright, Mike, it seems like everything is okay. I love being a chiropractor. You should do it.
Aduh suaranya pemirsa kayaknya bikin ngilu gitu ya. Nah kalau misalnya itu kan belum cedera parah. Kalau misalnya cederanya udah parah, ketemu dengan siapa? Dengan chiropractic surgeon. Waduh seperti apa tuh karirnya? Check it out right now.
Come on, get up here. Can't take the whole thing. But, you know, hey, athletes, if you get hurt, it's my job to fix you. Find out how on Career Day.
Dr. Richard Firkles adalah seorang spesialis di Institut Ortopedi di California Selatan. Ia merawat pasien dengan berbagai penyakit.
You been wearing this boot? A lot or a little?
All the time.
Yeah. Show us how you're walking. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. That's a doctor that takes care of bones and joints. People come in kind of broken up and shattered in ways, and we can fix them and get them back playing their sports or doing whatever they love doing.
Dari atlet tenis sampai atlet track, Dr. Firkles membantu pasien segala umur dan beberapa di antara mereka juga populer.
Wow. That is great. That's a great shot of her. I have to frame this. Take care of a lot of professional and college athletes, both in the NBA, the NFL, Major League Baseball. Check out one of my athlete's shoes. This is size 17.
Bila ia tidak sedang di klinik atau di ruang pembuatan gips, Dr. Firkel melakukan tindak operasi, tugas yang perlu ketelitian dan keahlian.
So today's patient is a 24-year-old female who's a ballet dancer. She injured it about 12 years ago and had surgery on her left ankle. She's done well until recently. The pain's gotten a lot worse. A lot of bad things can happen in surgery if you let your guard down and you don't focus and really concentrate.
Seperti layaknya seorang atlet, kesuksesan Dr. Firkel bergantung pada kerja tim dan
The
perencanaan.
most important thing you can do is to be prepared so that it goes effectively and very smoothly in surgery without any we call glitches or problems. Now the ankle is a very tight joint, and because there isn't much space between the two bones, we use this little device called the distractor to pull the ankle apart, and that gives us more room. We need about 3 millimeters of room to get into the ankle joint.
Untuk menghindari kesalahan kritis, ia harus berlatih selama berjam-jam sebelum melakukan operasi.
These simulators are good to practice on, obviously, instead of real patients. Real patients don't like being practiced on. Okay, career day, it's time to go in the operating room. Let's go to work. So now we're going to watch TV to see what's inside her ankle.
Dokter inovatif ini juga seorang penulis dan penemu yang diakui. Bahkan hasil inovasinya banyak digunakan di ruang operasi di seluruh dunia.
Your shoulder, there may be 3 or 4 different ways that we could fix it. And so we have to find the way we think is the best. So we invented all these cannulas. These are what's called a cannula. And that goes through to allow it to go smoothly into the joint without scratching anything.
Dr. Firkel besar dengan kecintaannya dengan dunia atletik. Saat kuliah pun ia sempat menjadi pemain football.
I love doing it, but my grades weren't doing quite as well. I didn't think I was going to get into medical school. I was probably going to be a better doctor than a football player, so I decided I better get in gear with my grades.
Setelah bertahun-tahun kuliah kedokteran olahraga, ia memutuskan untuk membantu pasien tetap berolahraga tanpa rasa sakit.
You haven't played soccer since when? March?
March, yeah.
What position you play?
Center, defense, and midfield.
Menjadi seorang ahli bedah ortopedi memang karir impian Dr. Firkel dan ternyata juga menguntungkan.
As long as she doesn't have any pain, it looks like, it's healed up pretty well at this point. It's been 4 months. You're always learning, but you're doing fun things. You're taking care of patients. How's your reflexes? You got reflexes? Yeah. And you're doing what you love to do, so it's not really work.
Nah, seperti ini nih pemirsa, ini namanya shin guards atau pelindung untuk tulang kering. Ini penting banget nih, apalagi kalau misalnya untuk para atlet yang olahraga, misalnya sepak bola, atau kalau misalnya di sini football, itu penting sekali karena tulang kering itu kalau misalnya kena cedera, waduh harus ketemu dengan siapa? Ketemu dengan chiropractor atau chiropractor surgeon. Waduh, oke deh pemirsa, jangan kemana-mana setelah pesan-pesan yang berikut ini karena we'll be right back dan ketemu dengan dokter gigi asal Indonesia yang sukses berkarir di Amerika. Seperti apa itu? Don't go anywhere, only on VOA Career Day.